Proper car seat installation is one of the most important ways to ensure that your child is safe while riding in a vehicle. Locate the latch anchors in your vehicle seat. Attach the straps on the car seat to the anchors and tighten. Rear-facing seats should always go in the back seat. Your little one is safest here because it's away from the front passenger airbag. Be sure to properly position the harness on your child. Buckle the harness and adjust until snug. Place the chest clip at armpit level. Your child is now safe and secure and ready to go. See the manufacturer's guide for more information. Anchor, tether, latch.